Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If your Facebook's photos, like whenever you're trying to upload picture on your Facebook, it's being uploaded in low quality. Today we are going to fix the issue by following up some of the methods. So you can just go over and follow up these methods as well to fix it. So once you open up your Facebook application, just go over and access your menu by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top, this one right here, and that should probably give you access to your menu. Scroll down and find the option for settings and privacy and select it. And then just go over and select the option of settings from the given options. After you select the settings option, what you need to do is scroll to the media section. So go over and find the option of media under preferences. And once you find your media option, you just need to look out for the option for photo upload HD. So scroll down, and there you can look out for the photo upload section. If you find the video or the photo quality, you can look out for that. And if you have that option of turning on the HD option, like we do for Instagram, you can turn it on. You can just go and select the option to optimize it or applying up the effects, and just go over and select that settings. If not this, you can close this up and you can go over with the normal process of uploading the picture. So look out for the photos option at the top and select it. And then once you select it, you can tap on the edit option. And within there, if there is any kind of option for uploading the HD, you can just go over and do so, or you can apply up effects to make it more high quality. And that is it. So you can tap on done, and while uploading, make sure that you have a proper internet connection, a very stable internet connection. Then the photos and the pictures on your devices should be uploaded in high quality. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this process so that you won't be having any kind of interruption and bloody final image. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.